Hello, what's up you guys? It's Justin here from Up North Motorsports bringing you another YouTube video. Alright, so today's video is going to be how to replace the mirror because I was in a rush one day backing up and I absolutely smashed it into the side of the garage door there. So always watch where you're going, stuff like that, but figured while I'm replacing it, I might as well make a video for you guys just in case you have to do the same or did the same mistake as I did. So alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so first little thing you gotta take off is this little plastic bit here. So you have a screwdriver in there, I already got it loose, so just pull it out like that. And then there'll be a 7mm to take off as well. I already took that off, so. Okay, and once you got that one, the next piece you'll want to take off is this one right there. So this one, I recommend being a little bit more careful. Pretty much all you have to do is pry up from the bottom. Be careful breaking. I broke on the other side when I had to replace that mirror. A little tabby right about there. So be careful with this side kind of thing. But you'll find another 2 7mm bolts under that one as well. So alright, and then once you're done fighting with that last one, you do have just a few more 7mm right at the bottom there. So I'll get those ones off. Okay, and then once you got all those taken off, I recommend probably a trim tool kit. I got this body door thing, or door panel remover, so I'll try that out from Canadian Tire. So I'm just gonna pop those off, and then we should be able to take off this door panel. Okay, I got it pretty much loose. I think there's something right there that's holding it together, so I'm just gonna keep fighting with it. Hopefully I can get it off. There we go, so I got it off, so I'm just going to take off that there cable now. Should be nice and easy, just a little clip. Okay. Okay, there we go. So I think I'm just going to leave it resting there. Got to hold it up kind of thing. I'm still able to get at the mirror, so we just got to take off that plastic thing, and I can undo the 3 bolts for the mirror. Okay, once you got your new mirror installed, just repeat the steps, except in reverse, obviously. Alrighty. Okay, so one trick is to take these clips off and then put them on the door already with that little squeegee thing, and you should be able to pop the door on. And then take this thing out from there as well, and make sure your truck's in the unlock position. It gives you a little bit more to work with as well. So, okay, so there we have it. New mirror installed. Not much swearing went on putting it on, but yeah, there we are. Alright, so if you guys like this YouTube video, please hit that like and subscribe button. More things coming this summer as always. Leave some comments and stuff like that. As always, like talking to you guys. Alrighty, have a good one. Bye.